One.
Hi, this is Pat at Arcan. We've got a 2014 Thunderbolt XLR. It's got a 12-foot garage, so it's a big trailer. But for you enthusiasts that need 12-foot of garage, this is the one for you. It's got 2 fuel stations. It's got a 5500 Onan generator on board, gas operated. And then 1 gas fuel tank is for the toys and 1 for the gen set, where you can pump back and forth between them. You've got power jacks front and rear. Your slides are actuated by hydraulics. So your slides go in and out real fast. Lots of storage underneath here. Even your power cord is on a reel. You know how heavy these 50 amp cables can be. And then your tie downs are right into the floor here, into the frame members. Aluminum tubing all around. You're going to see you've got a battery disconnect in here as well, so you can shut off the power, not drain the batteries when you're away. And then otherwise, it's a double axle trailer. It's got the full vacuum bonded trailer walls here. Everything vacuum bonded means it's going to be tough and last you a long time. Speakers inside, speakers outside, slam latch baggage door. You've got a 35,000 BTU furnace in here as well. Nice big awning on here, power awning. Your second door into the garage area. You've got a vent down the bottom here, and then you've got a vent on the other side as well. Your back ramp is not just a ramp, but it's also a balcony. We'll go inside and you'll actually see the rails you can put up on the sides. A screen also attaches at the back. You can pull that down from the top. You've got big lights on the back. You've got a ladder on the side to get up on the roof and make sure everything's okay on your roof. On your outside, you've got your 2 fuel tanks here and your fuel pump. Up a little further, you've actually got your black tank flush and all your water fittings there too. Rubber roof, it's vaulted. Rubber roof lasts a long time. Let's go inside and take a peek. Got the big grab handle for getting in and out. 3 steps also. Nice wide door opening. 30-inch door opening. Come on in and take a look around. Got the big speakers inside. Lots of ceiling height in here. You've got the ceiling fan. Lights are on. It's solid surface countertops are real nice as well. Still a double sink. It's all stainless steel. Nice deep sinks. Large gooseneck tap as well. And a spray nozzle on there too. You got the big range and oven as well. This oven is actually a 1/3 larger than most ovens out there. Your fridge is actually an 8 cubic foot fridge. So lots of room for the groceries, whether it's for those weekends or the week that you get away to go hauling your toys out there. This is a hide-a-bed sofa here. You've got drawers underneath as well on both sides here. And then you've got cupboards up here, cupboards up top. Your TV is up top. You've also got a fantastic fan here, and that's operated by a switch on the wall here. I was just checking to see. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's remote or not. And then up here you've got your AM, FM, CD, DVD entertainment system, and your controls for your heating, your air conditioning. Your underbelly's fully enclosed. You've got heat pads on the tanks as well. You'll see the heat pads are on here too. Your gen set you can light up from here. You can check your tanks. You've got a 100-gallon fresh water tank in here. You've got a loft up here with cupboards, or you can put Junior up in there too, put locks on. In the back, your garage has got your checker plate up nice and high. You've got rubber on the floor so you can hose everything down. Heat duct in the floor, air conditioning ducts in the ceiling. You got 2 sets of bunks that come down and a ladder to go up to the top set of bunks. Washer, dryer, prep. You could even put another TV back here if you want. There's a stereo back here too. Otherwise, speakers too. Keep the stereo running back here. Nice big door in the back as well. 30-inch doors on both sides makes it easier to get your containers of goodies inside and out real quick. Easier to clean up. Let's go up into the bedroom area. Oh, the other important thing too is you do have patio doors and a screen to keep the fuel and oil separate from your living area. So that's always nice too. 3 sets of steps up here. You got cupboards as soon as you come up the stairs to hide things away. Door into the bathroom here. Door into your bedroom. Night lights on both sides. You've got a slide out wardrobe that gives you lots of space for clothing to hang up, and then also drawers to put away things as well. So lots of cupboard storage in this trailer. Storage underneath the bed as well. Your table is under there for the dinette area. Hard to see all of that. You've also got plug-ins here for 12 volt, as well as plug-ins for your charging your phones or what have you. Otherwise, well equipped in here. It's kept in really good shape. Arcan inspects all of their trailers and makes sure they're good for you. Technicians have gone through it completely. If it wasn't good, we'd be sending it to the auction. Anyways, come and see us.